When someone isn't a good fit, what does that really mean? Is it because of food? Do they eat weird things? Did they go to a rival college? Is it their perfume? Or is it because of the way they look? Are they taller than you? Do they make you uncomfortable? Why? One of the hot button items that has organizations like the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission talking about it is this idea of unconscious bias and how it can find itself impacting decisions made at work. And before I get too far ahead of myself, for those of you who may be thinking, I don't have a bias bone in my body, sorry, you do. Everyone does. Our bodies develop unconscious biases in an effort to process the countless amounts of information and stimuli we encounter at any given moment. Don't believe me? Play the tag game in your workplace. Let's imagine you have 16 people. Print out 4 copies of 4 different shapes, a triangle, a diamond, square, circle, and without any additional instruction, instruct your participants to form 4 groups in 15 seconds. Chances are they will form groups based off of the shapes they've been given. This is an example of a similarity bias. So when you get that gut feeling where you just don't like something or someone and you can't quite put your finger on it, that could be a cue that there is an unconscious bias having some impact. Dig deep and challenge yourself. Ask yourself this question: why do I really feel this way? One final thing, it is important to keep in mind that not all bias is bad, but it's not always good. And in the workplace, being able to identify the reasons behind a particular decision will provide a nice feather in your cap when someone accuses your organization of, for example, discrimination. For additional information about unconscious bias in the workplace, including training options, contact us at Employers Council.